front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Notifications and Status Bar. Then scroll down, tap on Manage All, select Most Recent at the top and click on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. You can also click on the search bar at the top and type in an app that you wish to locate. Whatever you decided to do, after locating your app, select blue switcher next to it to block notifications from it. You can turn them back on by choosing the same switcher again. You can also go back, click on one of your apps over here, and tap on the switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!